Body odor causes 3-step solution. Most people think body odor is just about being dirty. But did you know you could bathe 3 times a day and still have a scent that scents everyone outside the room? And that is because body odor isn't a hygiene problem, it is a biology problem. Today on Bodybytes, I'll be letting you know the chemistry behind body odor and 3 natural ways to delete that odor for good. Your body has 2 main types of sweat glands. Number 1, the endocrine glands. These glands are all over your body. They produce water and salt to cool your body temperature. And this sweat never smells. The second gland is apocrine gland. These glands are in your armpit and located down there. They produce a thick milky sweat full of proteins and fats. And now, here is the secret. Bacteria love a buffet. The bacteria living on your skin eat those fats and proteins. As they digest them, they release a waste product called thiol alcohol, and that is the smell. So you don't smell, you are just carrying a colony of bacteria that are overheating. Now let's go to the solution, how you can get rid of this body odor naturally. Step 1 is the pH reset or the external control. Like we all know, bacteria thrive in a specific environment. So if you make your skin too acidic, they can't survive. How do you make your skin acidic? So we can use a apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. After your shower, dab a little on your underarms. It lowers the pH, the bacteria dies off, and the smell disappears. However, do not do this after a shave if you don't want to dance makosa. Step 2 of the natural way you can get rid of body odor is internal deodorizing or the internal control. What you put inside shows up outside. If you are eating heavy spices or processed foods, the sweat becomes a tastier meal for bacteria. So how can you deodorize internally? Leafy greens like spinach act as a natural deodorizer internally. It is like clearing the engine so the exhaust doesn't smell. Before we continue this video, how many of you knew that sweat was odorless? Let me know in the comments right now. Now let's go to the third step, and this is the fabric audit. Stop wearing plastic. Synthetic fabrics like polyester trap sweat and heat, thereby creating a greenhouse for bacteria. And the hack is to switch to natural fibers like cotton or linen because they allow hair to move. Remember, if sweat evaporates, the bacteria cannot feast. So body odor is just your skin's ecosystem getting out of balance. So try these 3 steps and let me know in the comment section which one worked best for you. If you find this bite of information helpful, strike that subscribe button. Your body and your neighbors will thank you. I am Tula and this is Bodybytes powered by Tula Shade Africa.